Good day. It's been a while on this platform. I've been absent for months. Like a lot has been happening though, but we're going to have a little bit chit chat on that. But right now, I want to change my hairstyle. I'm tired of this twist. I've been carrying it for the past 1 month now, so there's a need for a change. So I just saturated my head with water. Yeah, that stuff. Now it's time to apply a leave-in conditioner on the hair. Though I want to wash the hair, but I still want to apply leave-in conditioner on the hair before washing. So I'm just checking the length of my hair to know how far we have been on this journey. My hair is 7 years old, I guess. Yeah, it should be 7 years, more than 7 years now. So this is the hair. It's time to wash it. So I'm done washing the hair already. I am applying leave-in conditioner again on the hair. That oil is rosemary, clove and onion. Yeah, I did it months back, and that is what I've been using now for the past 2 months. So far so good. So I'm just oiling my scalps. Yeah, this is day two. This is day two. When I used it, it was late, so I couldn't video. That is my breakage. Yeah, still saturating the hair with water again because it was already dried. Applying leave-in conditioner again because there was no moisture at all. Because right now, I don't actually know the hairstyle I want to make on the hair, but so far so good. I just want to lose it. Check the length again. It's so nice checking the length of your hair. Now I'm parting the hair, not knowing what to do. I'm twisting it like normal until a style came to mind, and I decided to twist it, like chunky twist a bit. So at this point, I know the hairstyle I want to do already. So I have a used Faux Locs that I want to install on my hair. I've never done this style before, and thinking of doing it myself is mind blowing. So here goes nothing. I decided to roll it, wrap it, just yeah. The end was kind of tricky though, but I guess I just find a way to just make it stay. So far so good. That's that, and this is that. So I continued this side. I was trying to make it equal, like the length being equal, but no. This hairstyle, I call it twist and turn because there was a lot happening right now. Yeah, using a rubber band would have been the best option, but no, I just reversed it. Yeah, and it stayed. Why won't it? So I started the bag. The bag was kind of painful, tricky, and this is day three because I couldn't finish it yesterday or day two because it was late already and I was really tired. So this is the bag. Some were unraveling already, so I was like rewrapping it again. Yeah, so I was just securing it. I seems it was looking kind of cool, you know. Though I didn't know what I was embarking on, but was it challenging? A little bit. A little bit. Will I do this hairstyle again? Definitely. I will try it again. So I was just trying to brush and style. I just see what I can make out of it. I don't know if this hairstyle is going to last for a month, but hopefully, let's see. So far, so good. So, yeah, that is the style. That is styling. I'm so happy about this hairstyle because it's my first time actually adding an extension on my hair. I guess the front requires an edge control a bit, you know. I didn't use a comb. I used my nails to part my hair because I just felt it was much easier, especially at the back, you know. So this is it. So it took me 3 days to film this video. The first day was washing, the second was making, and the third is just like the final review. I know. So will you try this hairstyle? And if you like it, please rate it in a scale of 1 to 10, please. Thank you.